A gem isn't just something found accidentally. It's a painstaking creation that demonstrates unwavering brilliance. Like a property, it's a gateway to a splendid future, family support, and an enduring legacy. Whether you're exploring buying, selling, investing, or just admiring your dream property, I'm here to guide you with honesty, expertise, and passion. Let's uncover incredible opportunities together. Real estate is thrilling, and I'm eager to accompany you.
Hello everyone, I am Gem of Property Specialist, here to assist your concerns regarding your property investment.
Are you dreaming of owning your first home, looking for a safe property investment that can grow your wealth, or wondering how to avoid costly mistakes in real estate? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to the Gem of Property Specialist, your trusted guide to making real estate simple, safe, and profitable, just like finding a gem worth your money. In today's property market, finding the opportunity can feel like searching for a hidden gem. That's why this channel is dedicated to helping you discover the best properties, understand the legal process, and make smart decisions with confidence. My mission is simple: to help you make informed property decisions that bring value, security, and long-term financial growth. So whether you're buying your first home, investing in real estate, or simply exploring your options, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss the opportunity to uncover the hidden gems in the real estate market. Subscribe now and join our growing community of smart property buyers and investors. Turn on notifications so you never miss updates, expert guidance, and valuable property decisions begin shine like